So the music doesn't come in fast enough. I need to bring it to the left more. I'm going to zoom in, drag the music to the right so that I can move the music to the left. But I got to find out where that music needs to start. It needs to start right there. So the top of the first wave should be right where that line is. And then I can drag this back to the left, and then it will look like this. Now, during this part here, where we have the earth, what I would like to do is have the lights dim. We'll keep some lights on because in the next scene, we see some lights. So right about this point, I'm going to add a color matte and click OK. And I'm going to go with black, click OK. And I'm going to write black, press OK, and then drag that onto the timeline. So we can't see what's going on here because it's black. But if I get the create ellipse mask right here, it makes a mask. And I can drag this over here like this, and then click on that little circle here, drag it out to soften it. And I can click on these squares to make the circle bigger, this. Select anywhere to deselect. We don't want a harsh transition like this, watch. What we want to do is right click on the left side and apply default transitions to make it fade in. Then we'll bring this longer. Let's see what happens with that. See, that looks cool. We'll drag this all the way to the end. If we want, we can make the darkness grow and take out more lights. Get the eraser tool and cut it right there and click on the mask, and we can make the mask bigger so it covers more of that earth area. And let's do a right click and apply default transitions. So it's going to fade in to that. Let's watch. See, that works. Okay. This lesson will continue in the next video.